Hello again, my precious. Today's Friday and this is the new video on my channel. It's again not about grammar, but if you wish more grammar on my channel, please write me in the comments and I will make a video for you on any topic you don't understand. So today we are going to learn a very useful topic, so please stay attentive and you can give this video a huge thumb up right now. And now we are going to start. На залізничному вокзалі, at the railway station. So today we are going to learn how to buy a ticket or how to behave on the railway station in Ukraine and in Ukrainian. Let's start. Вивчимо невісова та фраза. Залізниця, railway. Каса, ticket office. So here you can see in this picture small windows where you can buy tickets like this. Приміські каси, suburban ticket offices. So in these ticket offices you can buy tickets to nearby villages or nearby small towns. So зал очікування, waiting hall. So here you are waiting for your train. Платформа, перон. Actually, the platform, these words are synonyms. Залізничне кафе, railway cafe. So, the cafe where you can drink some tea, coffee, and so on. Toilet, bathroom. Кімната матері та дитини. The room for mother and the child. It's a special room where a mother can change a napkin for her child or just have a rest with the child. So we have such special rooms in our railway stations. Поліцейський відділок, police station, really important. Камери схову, a luggage storage. So in this place you can go and store your luggage and to keep them on the railway station as you wish. Залізнична колія, railroad track. Електронне табло розкладу поїздів-потягів. Electronic table, timetable of the trains. So here you can see the schedule of different plates. It looks like this, of different trains. So you just look here the time and the number of your train. So and you can watch this table, or you can hear the announcement in the railway station. So both of them. Поїзд, потяг, train. Електропотяг, електричка, electronic train, so the train that goes on electricity. Let's continue. Вивчимо невісова та фрази. Let's continue learning new phrases. Квиток, ticket. Зворотній квиток, return ticket. Дата, date, напрямок, direction, місце, номер. The place and number of this place. So this information you have on your ticket. So where to go? Вагон, wagon, coupe, coupe, плацкарта, reserved seats. So in this picture you actually see like a reserved seat wagon. So it's not like a coupe like here. For example, it is not closed, everyone sees you, you have these shelves so to sleep on, and here you see them. That's the cheapest wagons and the cheapest places. Don't think they are uncomfortable, they are comfortable, you just have too many neighbors with you. СВ, спальний вагон. So it's a place, it's very luxury place actually, where you have only your coupe for two. So something like that. There is the most expensive. Вагон, ресторан. The wagon with the restaurant. Тамбур. The portal or like vestibule of any wagon. It's the place between two wagons. Some people use it for smoking, but it's like a portal just to pass from one wagon to another. Полиця, a shelf for sleeping. it can be low shelf and high shelf, so you can sleep here or there. So here inside it you can store your luggage, and if you live in a special luxury wagon you have only low shelf. Sometimes the seller of tickets in the ticket office can ask you what shelf would you like to choose, but actually it's rather random. If you have the number of the shelf which is divided on 2, like 8, 16, 18, it's actually the high shelf. And if it's not even 13, 15, it's the low shelf. Something like that. A little tip for you. Провідник, railroad conductor, a special man, провідник, or woman, провідниця, that serves you in the train. She checks your tickets, or he checks your tickets, leads you to your place, and offers special services like tea, coffee, and so on. Начальник потягу. It's the chief of the train, so he is the main boss of all conductors and even the railroad drivers. So he's the boss. You can ask him something if the railroad conductor can't help you or doesn't want to help you. Лінійний загін поліції. This is the special police in the wagon that just keeps order. So actually in every train they must have this police team. So if something happens you can go to them. Постіль, bed sheets. So if you go into a far distance, this is a service of sheets for you. So in this set of sheets, you have actually 2 sheets, a pillowcase and a towel. So just check. So 2 простирадла, наволочка, рушник. 2 sheets, простирадло, 1 sheet, простирадла. It's actually should be here. It's 2 sheets. And наволочка, pillowcase, рушник, towel. So just check the set. It should be packed, so you just tear off the package, and everything should be clean and with a stamp on it. So. And special services that a railroad conductor just gives to you. Tea, chai, coffee, kava, печиво, cookies, biscuits, and hot water or boiling water, гаряча вода, кипляча вода. It's actually in our trains for free. Yeah, so you can have your own tea, just ask for some hot water, it's for free. Ковдра, it's a blanket. So here we are inside the train.
Ребе, нічною залізницею, вночі вокзали пахнуть, смертю корицею.
Доброго дня. Мені, будь ласка, квиток на поїзд номер 120 Запоріжжя-Львів від станції Кривий Ріг Головний. Доброго дня. Який вагон? Купе, будь ласка. Нижня чи верхня полиця? Нижня, будь ласка. Ваш квиток, місце 13, вагон 5, від станції Кривий Ріг Головний, відправляється о 15:51. Прибуває до Львову об 11:44 наступного дня. Зворотній квиток брати будете? Ні, дякую. Ще не визначився з датою. Тоді з вас 800 гривень. Картка чи готівка? Готівка. Ось, будь ласка. Ваша 1000 гривень. Ось ваш квиток та решта 200 гривень. Щасливої подорожі. Дякую. Гарного дня. So, let's right now read and translate the dialogue that we have just listened. Доброго дня. Good afternoon. Мені, будь ласка, квиток на поїзд номер 120 Запоріжжя-Львів. I need, please, a ticket on a train number 112 Zaporizhzhia-Lviv. So, when you buy a ticket, it's better to know its number. You can look it in the internet on the official schedule of Ukrainian railway. And actually, it's pretty easy to buy it online. Not go into the ticket office, but if you ever have such pleasure, so here is dialogue for you. Від станції Кривий Ріг головний. From the station Кривий Ріг the main. So, you don't need to be in Zaporizhzhia to buy the ticket on this train. You can buy it somewhere in the middle of this route, for example, in Kривий Ріг, and it will be cheaper because Zaporizhzhia is a little bit farther than Kривий Ріг. So, sometimes you can do like this, so to buy a ticket from Kривий Ріг, and you should just be on the station Kривий Ріг the main, Кривий Ріг головний, and you can catch this train. Доброго дня. Який вагон? Good afternoon. Which wagon? Купе, будь ласка. Coupe, please. Нижня чи верхня полиця? Low or upper shelf? Low, please. Нижня, будь ласка. Ваш квиток. Місце 13, вагон 5. Here is your ticket. Place number 13, wagon 5. From this ticket we understand that we have the low shelf because the number is uneven. Від станції Кривий Ріг головний відправляється о 15:51. From the station Кривий Ріг the main, the train departs at 15:51. Прибуває до Львову об 11:44 наступного дня. It arrives in Lviv at 11:45 the next day. Зворотній квиток брати будете? Would you like a return ticket? Ні, дякую, ще не визначився з датою. No, thank you, I don't know the return date yet. Тоді з вас 800 гривень. So, that's 800 hryvnias. Картка чи готівка? Credit card or cash? Cash, please. Here it is, please. Your 1000 hryvnias. Here is the ticket. The change 200 hryvnias. Ваша 1000 гривень, ось ваш квиток, та решта 200 гривень. Щасливої подорожі. Have a good trip. Дякую. Thank you. Гарного дня. Have a good day. So here is the short useful dialogue for you. You can choose any train or any place or any wagon. And if you want to know more about time and numbers, please watch my previous videos. Maybe I won't forget to put a hint here in the corner. So you can go back to the dialogue and listen it one more and replay it with your toys if you have such, or with your study partner. So I think it's pretty useful. If you want more about this topic, if you want some dialogues not only in the ticket office but inside the wagon with a railway conductor, so please write me in the comments. I will do this video for you.
Львівська залізниця, хмариться, туманиться.
This is the end of our lesson. I hope you have liked it. I hope you have enjoyed it immensely like me and my fluffy friends enjoy doing it. Share it with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave any comments you wish and leave your ideas under this video. And I write everything down. And I will make a video according to your wishes. So I'm waiting for your ideas. And let's see each other next Friday. Bye bye.